Hey guys, welcome back to Once Upon a Tiny Farm. My name's Drew. In today's video, I want to tell you guys how you could start your own garden for an extremely cheap, if you're on an extremely cheap budget, how you could go to Dollar Tree right now and get yourself everything you need to create your own garden for a very affordable price. So last week, I went to Dollar Tree with my wife, and I saw they had their whole display of seeds out and a lot of other things too. But I want to tell you all the seeds that I got for all of these seeds here were 25 cents each, 4 for $1. So first, I am planning to create my own herb garden using Dollar Tree stackable pots, which I did another video on a couple of months ago. But I didn't grow, I actually set it up last year, but I didn't grow anything in those stackable pots last year. This year I'm planning to grow all of my herbs in these stackable pots that I got from Dollar Tree. Those stackable pots cost $1.25 each for, there's 3 pots in each of those tiered pots. And I have 2 towers stacked 12 high. So each of those Dollar Tree stackable planters have 36 spots to plant. So I'll have 72 pots for herbs. And here are some of the herbs that I got for 25 cents from Dollar Tree. I got sage, oregano, chives, never grown chives. Chives, parsley, dill, and thyme. So just right there, if you wanted to create your own herb garden for a really cheap price, how many was this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's $1.50. There's plenty of seeds in each of these, that more than you'll probably need if you wanted to start a small herb garden. $1.50 for these at least. And you could set up, you don't even need to set them up as high as I did. I did them 12 high, my Dollar Tree stackables. They're $1.25 each. So if you could find those stackable planter boxes at your local Dollar Tree, you could get them for $1.25 each. Plus the seeds, you're going to be in really good shape for setting up a really cheap garden. The only thing that's going to be really expensive, the most expensive, is going to be the soil. I don't think the Dollar Tree sold soil, but there's places. Look around for the best prices for soil at your local big box stores. They're all going to have it right now. So there you go. That's a really good way to get a herb garden, at least for very cheap price. But I got more than just those herbs. I got flowers. I got a whole bunch of zinnias. I feel like I got trading cards here. I've got different varieties of zinnia. Giant cactus mixed. Semi-dwarf. Giants of California mixed. I love zinnias. I think they're really pretty. I also got some mixed bell peppers, different colors of bell peppers. I got some more cucumbers, straight 8. I got national pickling cucumbers. I love a good pickling cucumber. And I got regular beefsteak. Probably going to be growing these to sell as starts at my farmer's market. And I got a little spinach because actually all the spinach that I have is a hybrid variety, and this is an open pollinated one. So I might just grow these to save the seeds so I could have a ton more spinach seeds for next year. So this is a big leaf spinach. So I got all of those flowers, vegetables, and herbs. I spent $14 for all this stuff. But that's not it. I got some more. I got some bulbs. that actually I probably should plant out right now. I got a bunch of different gladiolas. Oh my goodness. I got a bunch of these bulbs, different colors. I got some ranunculus. I think all of these bulb things, there's 3 in each. I think these were like $1.25 each, something like that. Pretty sure this was the big expense. It wasn't the 25-cent seeds. Ranunculus, oh, another mix of gladiolas. And these guys. So really want to have a pretty flower garden, and these are all going to go over there in the flower garden. Might do that today. Here is the Dollar Tree stackable planters that I was just talking to you about. See, each tier has 3 pots in it, and this one I believe is 12 high, and I have 2 of these, so I gave some of these to my neighbors and my parents. I have another stack over there, 12 high. So I want to do a whole bunch of herbs in this and my other one. Something else I found when we were at Dollar Tree was they have different sized stackable planters. They had a smaller one. It was actually maybe like half the size. I think it was about the same depth. Maybe it wasn't as deep as these are. And it was a little bit more narrow. I'm not sure exactly what you would use that mini stackable planter for, but I really like these. I'm gonna put them to real good use this year. I didn't use them last year. This year I am. And I'm hoping they stand up to the weather and everything like that. So I actually went to a bunch of different Dollar Trees looking for these in the store, and I've always have a really hard time finding these stackable planters in the store. I had to buy these online on the Dollar Tree website. And when you buy them online, they make you buy, I think it was 36 of them in order to ship them, which came to like $40 some, which I think is still a really good price. It's like a cheap green stalk. The green stalk is like a really high quality stackable planter, but it costs way more money than this would be to set up one of these 12 high. You know, it's, I can't do the math, maybe like $14, $15 to have a 12 high tiered vertical garden right here. So let's just say this is like $15 and that your seeds cost $1.50 just to get a couple herbs in here. That's really cheap. That's less than $20 to start your garden, but that's not including the soil. So let's say 30 bucks. Start an herb garden for $30. Including the bags of soil that you're going to need to fill this up. But that's a really cool deal. That's a really good deal. Easy way to get gardening, especially if you don't have a lot of space, because these just take up vertical space. Even if you live in an apartment, you can put this on your balcony or something, and you would have a mini garden to harvest some herbs from all summer long, and that would be really cool. Anyway, that's all I wanted to share, how you guys could get off to a good start this gardening season. It's still early, but now's the time to be planning for what you want to have in your garden, and now's a good time to find what they have. If you're on a real budget, you can go to Dollar Tree and check out the seeds that they have and create yourself a beautiful garden this year. All right, guys, that's all I got for this video. Appreciate y'all watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this one. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.